Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rental. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, Java, C++, Python and many more courses. If you do not able to do this assignment or if you do not able to do this course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course and I will handle your complete assignments with A+ grade and very reasonable prices. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step, focusing on the title of assignment XP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals. Okay, you can see this title of assignment, and here is project description. To get idea about your project, you can see your project description of this project and you will got idea about your project. Now moving on question number 1. Question 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, you can see this my file. I am gonna show you my Excel workbook. That's I download from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can see this my file. Now we'll move on question number 2. In question number 2, use get and transform data Power Query editor to load the file E10M2 movies text to existing worksheet starting in cell A1. Load the information to the worksheet and select add this data to the data model. Basically, in this question, okay, we will use and get transform data, okay, and then we will load the E10 movie text to existing worksheet start in cell A1. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on data tab and click on new query. From file, select text file. Okay, you will import file where you saved in your PC and delete this. First we delete this sheet 1, sorry. Okay, click on new query from file, from text file, and you will import file where you saved in your PC. I have saved in this folder E2 E10 M2 movie files. Click on import. File will be imported and click on load. You will click on load. Okay, file will be loaded here and you can select this table and then click on query and then click on load to, and then you can select this box. Okay, add this data to the data model. You will select this. Okay, then we will click on load and click on continue and click on continue. Okay, and we will rename sheet 2 as table name and we will rename this sheet 2 as E10 C2 movies text. Rename the worksheet movies. Okay, question number 2 is done now. Now we will moving on question number 3. In question number 3, you can see this. Rename the worksheet to movie. You can copy this name movies and then moving on Excel workbook and then right click on sheet 2. Okay, and click on rename. Okay, we will rename this sheet 2 as movies. Okay, click on movies and this sheet will be renamed as movies name. Click on sheet 1 and delete this sheet 1. Okay, this is good. Now you can see here. Now we will moving on next question is question number 4. In question number 4, use get and transform data to load the account table from the text XML files E10 C2 contacts XML into a new worksheet, load the information to a new worksheet and select add this data to the data model. Basically in this question we will use get and transform data and the load account table from the XML file E2 E10 C2 contacts XML into a new worksheet. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then we will import this account table from XML file E10 C2 contacts XML file. We will load this file and import this file. Moving on Excel workbook, click on data tab, click on new query. Okay, then click on from file XML file, click on XML file, then you can import this file. Okay, you will save where you saved in your PC. Okay, I am importing this file. I have saved this in this folder, and now click on this file and then click on import. You can import this file where you saved in your PC. Okay, this file will be imported, and select accounts. Okay, close and load, close and load. It will be close and load. Then click on query and load to, and click on load to. Okay, and select this box, add this data to the data model, add this data to the data model, select this and click on load, then continue. Okay, this is good. Now you can see here I have done this question. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 5. In question number 5 we rename the worksheet contacts. You can copy this name, contacts. Okay, then we will move on Excel workbook and right click on this sheet 2 and rename as contacts. Then press enter. This sheet 2 will be renamed as contacts. Now we will move on question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Now we will moving on question number 6. Okay, please follow my video to got a plus grade. Okay, please subscribe my channel, like my video. Please all students subscribe my channels. Okay, I will help you in your futures. I will upload all course on my YouTube channel and you will get help from my videos. Okay, if you do not able to do this assignment, and if you do not able to do this course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will help you and I will do complete assignment for you with A plus grades, and I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Okay, now moving on question number 6. Okay, you can see this in question number 6. Use get and transforms data to load the rates table from the files E10 to rates XLS file into the new worksheet. Load the information to a new worksheet and select add this data to the data model. Basically in this question we will use get and transform data, and then we will load the result table from the file E10 C2 rates XLS file. Okay, we will import XLS file. Moving on Excel workbook. Please follow my video to got A plus grade. If you are not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Click on data tab. Simply click on new query, click on new files from XLS file. Okay, we will import this file E2 E10 C2 rates file. Click on this file and simply click on import tab. Okay, this file will be import. Now we will click on rates, then we will click on load. Okay, we will click on this load. This file will be load. Okay, this file will be loaded here. Then click on power pivot and then click on add to a data model. Okay, you can see here. Then close it, enable content. Okay, you can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. In question number 7, rename the worksheet rates. Okay, we will rename this sheet as rates. You can copy this name rates, and then we will rename this worksheet as rates. Right click on this worksheet. Okay, and click on rename and rename as rates. Okay, then press enter. This sheet will be renamed as rates name. Now moving on next question is question number 8. Okay, use get and transform data to load the store store info table. Okay, use get and transform data to load the store info table located in the database e2 c2 transaction accdb into a new worksheet. Load the information to a new worksheet and select add this data to our data model. Okay, basically in this question use get and transform data. Okay, load the store info table located in the database e10 c2 transformation transaction accd into a new worksheet. Okay, moving on excel workbook, we will import database file e10 c2 transactions. Okay, click on data type, click on new query from database from Microsoft Access. You can import this file where you saved in your PC. This file name is e10 c2 transaction where located. Okay, click on import tab. Okay, this file will be imported and then click on store info table. Okay, then click on load. Okay, this table will be loaded and then click on query tab, then click on load to. Okay, and you can select this box, this add this data to the data model box. Okay, click on this box, add this data to the data model. Sorry, click on power pivot, add to data models, then close it. This question is done now. Now we will moving on. Next question is question number 9. Rename the worksheet store info. Okay, we will rename this worksheet as store info. Right click on this sheet and then rename as store info. Then press enter. This sheet will be renamed as store info. Now we will moving on. Next question is question number 10. In question number 10, use get and transform data to load the transaction table located in the database e10 c2 transaction accdb in the Power Query editor. Use the Power Query editor to change the format of data columns from date and time to date. Okay, tab yeah. Okay, load the editor data to a new worksheet and then select add this data to the data model. Basically in this question we will use get and transform data. Okay, then we will load the transaction table located in the database e10 c2 transaction. Okay, moving on excel workbook. You read this instruction. Please follow my video to get a plus grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade and I will handle your complete course with very reasonable prices. Contact me on my WhatsApp or email. Both are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, sorry, close this. Okay, I have done 10 question of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will handle your complete assignments and I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.